Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info, your how-to and information channel. Today's tutorial is related to installing Windows 10 and fixing BIOS errors at the same time. This video is slightly for those who are familiar on doing these things. If you're new, I recommend you go to my channel and follow this video that I'm about to show you here. How to install Windows 10 from USB, step-by-step guide. So this is the one with BIOS fixed. This is the one that you need for those who are slightly newbie. Or if you just feel you want the full tutorial, you can follow this one. And as for the rest, see, as you can see, my topic today is, installing Windows 10 and fixing BIOS automatically, the errors. Right. These are few errors that I'm about to show you that a lot of us, get this when we start trying to install a new Windows. The first one is reboot and select proper boot device, or insert boot media in selected boot device and press any key. The other very common one is legacy mode error. Windows cannot boot in legacy mode. So to fix this, first of all, obviously you need to download Windows from Microsoft website and choose, when you run, choose media creation tool. You need to choose this one. Make sure you choose this file. And then you save and run it. And after that you get few options to run. Where I want you to focus on is this step here. Choose, in this one here, basically it says what do you want to do. You need to choose create installation media using flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. And after you go press next, you'll get another one. It says choose which media to use. Make sure you choose ISO file. Where it says ISO file, you need to burn the ISO to DVD later. There is going to be an option saying flash drive above. I know we're doing flash drive, but please pick this option. Very important for this. Alright, and then what you need to do is click Rufus, which will enable Windows to be installed on the flash drive. So Rufus is only from the Google. You can type RUFUS, or from the website rufus.ie, as you can see above. Right, click this one, the first option, download. So when you download it and run, and then you get this is what we call Rufus. This is the software that we need to do these things. Right, so what you need to do is click on select and find where your Windows ISO file is. Click OK, and everything else is okay. Just need to change this partition scheme, where it says partition scheme, change from GPT to MBR, and as you can see, target system is changed from as well to BIOS or UEFI CSM, and just with GPT is just UEFI only, non CSM. So when you change it to this, that's all it is, nothing else. You leave everything else as it is. Click start, and this will delete anything on the USB. So you click OK, and once this is done, it's going all the way through. So what you need to do then is restart the computer again and go into your BIOS. Make sure you choose the bootable device as the main priority for USB, and then this will work as normal. It will eliminate all the errors I've shown before. Anyways, this was Exquisite Info, a very short tutorial on how to run Windows 10 from USB and removing your BIOS errors. Goodbye for now. Please do check our other videos out. Thank you.